A wise man once said, if you want to get stuff done, but you haven't got enough time, you need to sleep faster. So welcome to Motor Mornings. Good morning, good morning. Oh, it's Monday. I'm a bit late into the workshop this morning. Oh, you know, it's Mondays for you. Right, what am I watching on YouTube? I'm going to watch a bit of my mate William Murphy. I think he's having a bit of a clean up.
Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new world.
Right, let's crack on. More cleaning. It's actually taken me a while to figure out what to do this morning. It's Mondays, isn't it? Need to prep. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the cover back on, just with a couple of bolts, and just see if I can get this gold off the, because obviously it came off here so easy. I'm hoping it's going to do the same on here. I won't do the old wire wheel thing so early in the morning, but I will try with a bit of wire brush to see what happens. Yes, a wire brush does work, but I must admit I did resort to using this. Is it too loud for 6:30 in the morning? Only my neighbours will tell me. Right, that's it for this morning. See you tomorrow. Oh, I'm not doing very well today. Anyway, good morning. Got my bits. I didn't do one yesterday. Why? Because it was pancake day. Everybody likes pancakes, don't they? Yeah, and I like to have pancakes for breakfast, not in the evening. So yeah, that was my Motor Mornings for Tuesday. Not wasted, can't call it wasted. But I have now got, say, some of these, got these from the other workshop. Where's that come from then? I've got an oil leak. Yeah, that's oil. Oh no. Yeah, but where? It wasn't leaking before. What have I done, Kev? Oh, that's the annoying thing about having it on the floor, isn't it? Anyway, let's carry on cleaning that, because that's today's mission. Right, I think I'm going to take the front engine steady mount off, or the front engine mount off. Looks a bit crusty, doesn't it? Excuse the rain. It never rains on the Isle of Wight. Oh, that's had a modification, hasn't it? Cal, do you reckon that's overlised over time? And then someone's just welded a washer on it, look. Yeah, it's something I've done in the past. Or maybe it actually cracked, look. Because that weld goes all the way up there. Come on, Poirot, work it out. Oh yeah, look at that crack. Oh well. I'll stick it in the spares pile, you never know. No, I'll never use it, will I? Well, there we go, that's this morning's task done. Again, this has all come off very, very easy. I can't get right down the bottom because it's so low. So I definitely at some point need to figure out how I'm going to get this off the ground. Tomorrow's job, I think I'm going to try and get the paint off here, because look, you only need to brush it and it's off. It's just not sticking to the aluminium. This all came off very easily. It seems to be sticking to the block okay, which is good. So hopefully I'd only have to clean that up ready for paint, but there's no point putting fresh paint on flaky paint, is there? I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our patrons. Your support, as always, is hugely appreciated. Good morning, it's Thursday morning. Look, no messing around today. Right, what am I watching on YouTube? I'm watching Matt Green. If you haven't seen it, you obviously have. But if you haven't seen any of Matt Green's projects, go and check him out. He's a good mate of mine. And this one, he's put a bi-turbo V6 in the back of his BMW Mini. What a nutter. We've got a BMW Mini and we won't be doing this.
Welcome back. That's all I say. It's my catchphrase, isn't it? Welcome back.
yeah, it's a bit warmer. I don't even have to have a hat on, so you're still my full gingerness. I always film these bits as it happens, so I should go back maybe and tell you what, film it later. But anyway, we're going to fix a drive shaft. I bought a second-hand drive shaft because I'll show you in a minute something went wrong with the other shaft, and yeah, so we're going to have to cut the drive shaft and weld them again. But we've done it once, we can do it again, and we should do it again as well.
You're allowed to say shaft.
And some people sent me some things, or got me some things off my Amazon wishlist. Malcolm Young, thank you. You're always a great support over the years, and you're still supporting me, so thank you very much.
Another nice tidy workshop there. Whoa, gotta rev it up. Sounds amazing. Tell you what, one of those in the front of the Bedford CF drag racing boogie van would be amazing, wouldn't it? Well done, mate. I can't get behind the oil filter without taking the oil filter off. I don't really want to do that just yet. Or am I being lazy? Kev? You're being lazy. It's only 6:30 in the morning. Come on, let's just whiz it off, stick a bag on the end. Get it done, come on. That's your 15-minute challenge. Right, sorry neighbours if that's too noisy for you. I'm sure it isn't. Right, there we go, mission accomplished. Right, I've got to go in for breakfast. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning, it's Friday morning. Well, I tell you what, I was on schedule to be out here a lot earlier than I am. Me being me, I flipping spilt something in the kitchen. And so I had to mop all that up before I came out. Flipping typical. Look at that, definitely got an oil leak somewhere. Where's that coming from then? I can't see it at the moment, but that's the beauty of having it off the ground, isn't it? I can actually have a look. Now it's going to be much easier to clean it, work on it, and try and find that oil leak. Where do you think that oil leak is coming from? Please let me know. Right, I am genuinely late for work, so I'll see you next week. Ta-ta for now.